Okay, so we're going to look at factorising and solving a quadratic with a leading coefficient, in this case 6, where when we remove the factor of 6 that we're going to introduce, we have to divide both brackets rather than just one. And if you've seen my first video on this, then you'll see that in that case we only had to divide one bracket. Okay, so the first thing is to multiply the 6 by the 4, which gives us 24, and write that down with no other changes. And then consider the factors of 24. And in this case, it's going to be the 3 and the 8 that enable us to make this -5. And to do that, we need +3 and -8. So we transfer those to our two separate brackets. Doesn't matter which order they go in, as long as the correct sign goes with the correct number. What we do then is bring the 6x, but not the squared, down into each of the brackets, and that gives us the factorised version of the quadratic we started with. However, we've got to remember that we introduced this factor of 6 to start off with. So to remove that, we would have to divide this bracket, number 1, by 3, and this bracket, number 2, by 2. And 3 2s are 6, so we've removed the factor of 6. So if we divide this bracket by 3, we get 2x plus 1. And if we divide this bracket by 2, we get 3x minus 4. And so that is the fully factorised version of the quadratic we started with. And if we then want to go ahead and resolve that, then we would consider the two brackets both being equal to 0. In the first case then, 2x plus 1 is 0, which makes x equal to -1/2, and the second one, 3x minus 4, is 0, which makes x equal to 4/3.